Bitcoin is about to break here to the upside unless the FOMC meeting is not destroying here what I'm seeing on the charts. We have definitely to be really careful in the next 2 hours with the volatility in the market, but I have found here a bullish pattern that I definitely want to show to you guys. So definitely stick around here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video and activate the notification bell. And now let's directly jump into it. So here on the 1 hourly chart, I had shown you yesterday already this ascending triangle. So, and it happened what I told you guys yesterday, that with this fake out breakout here, that this would be most likely a fake out because the pattern had not matured enough to get a breakout there. And from past history, when we look at these patterns, once we get a breakout that early, normally it's a fake out, and that was exactly what we have seen here, and came back into the pattern. And now we are getting really close to a breakout. So, and if the rates hike is as expected, then we should see a breakout all the way up to $23,700. I will trade this breakout, guys. If it's happening, then I'm gonna trade it, and I post it in my free Telegram channel. So if you want to trade this with me together, join the free Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comment below and in the description of the video. This candle here right now, this 1 hourly candle, is looking super bullish. And if we see continuation like that, then we definitely go here to the upside and will break out of this. So I want to have a look on the stochastic area. So yeah, also here we still have room to go to the upside. And let's see what the volume is saying. Volume is picking up. That is also a really good indication that we potentially break here to the upside. But like I said, unless we get a crazy news event from the rates meeting, which could destroy that. But if it doesn't, then we definitely gonna see a nice move here. So when we're going here to the 4 hourly chart, to our prior diamond pattern that saw where the price had a fake out here to the upside, came back to this important neckline of $23,100. We are slightly sitting above that right now, and also the stochastic RSI is pointing to the upside, which should be also a sign that we potentially go now here to the upside, and then this pattern would be invalidated. So if the price goes just up to $23,200, we have then here a bullish candlestick formation here, and that would also signal a reversal or a continuation to the upside. When we're looking here on the 4 hourly chart, also here the super guppy is still bullish as expected. And guys, don't forget, if we get finally this breakout here to the upside and we're gonna trade this, go to the pinned comment below or to the description of the video. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free in sign-up bonus with that specific link on BYBIT, and also $20,000 in bonuses absolutely for free with the specific link here on Bitget. So definitely take advantage of that. It's really easy. It takes just a couple of minutes. You go to the reward center, there you click your bonus, and that's already it. So let's also talk a little bit about altcoins, because I saw a comment from somebody who said, oh, this week you said we should get an alt season. Careful here. I said, once we break under both of these lines where I have my alarm set, then we have an altcoin season. Only then. So, and I said it could happen as early as this week. So we're in the middle of the week. There's still the possibility that we see this week, but I said clearly only if we break both of these lines. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is above this crucial resistance support flip line, where we have to basically wait for a reversal to the downside, testing this downward sloping resistance line, support line right now at 44%. And if we break that and go all the way down to 43.6, 43.5, then we see a move here that we are basically waiting for. So we can also use the Fibonacci extension tool for that, but the other way around. me do this again. So here you see on the retracement, we are here at the 0.382. That is the level that we should be watching with the 0.272. Once we break under both of these levels here, then it's altcoin season, and massively altcoin season, and that's basically what I'm waiting for. That's why I have my alarm at this specific level here, which is kind of like sandwiched in between, because there we're gonna see that nice run and most of the altcoins happening. Guys, that's it already for today. It was a quick update. Let's wait and see what's happening on the FOMC meeting. We have here a potential trade set up. If you're looking for a stop loss, I would put my stop loss basically there where we are right now at $23,100 and trade this then to the upside to $23,700. So if you trade this with 20x, as I said yesterday, that will give you roughly 50%, and that could be a really quick trade. I'm talking couple of minutes potentially. So yeah, definitely be ready with your cash on the side to take this trade once we get the rate hikes. That's it for today. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.